Hello friends, welcome to German class. I am Aditya and you are watching German class. Today we are learning class 8th German language topic Körperteile. Okay, this is the lection 1, chapter 1. Stefan, wie geht es dir? In this chapter we learn about the disease, how do we make sentences by using the body parts, various types of body parts and the disease and how to form the sentences. Okay, so let's begin. These are the body parts I have written here. Der Kopf, die Nase, das Ohr, die Haare, hair. Ohr means ear. Die Nase, nose. And der Kopf means head. Der Rücken means backbone, back. Der Mund means mouth. Der Finger, finger. Das Bein, Bein means leg. And der Fuß means foot. So these are the body parts. Now we use these body parts and make few sentences. Suppose my head is paining. I have headache. So, ich habe Kopfschmerzen. I have headache. So the verb is haben. We are using the verb haben means to have. I have headache. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. Kopfschmerzen. Kopf means head. Schmerzen means pain. So it's a composition of two words, Kopf and Schmerzen. Suppose you say, I have pain in my finger. So ich habe same Fingerschmerzen. Suppose Rückenschmerzen, back pain. So it goes like this. Rückenschmerzen, Fingerschmerzen. So the verb is haben we are using here. Haben is the verb that we are using. Okay. Similarly, there are so many other verbs that we can use by describing the body ache. Like there is a verb wehtun. It means to get hurt. To get hurt. So you remember whenever we use this verb wehtun, we always use a body part. We cannot say these work for fever, cough, flu. No, we use always body parts. Suppose I have pain in my head. I have leg pain, finger pain, okay, foot pain, back pain. So I will use the word wehtun. Let's see how do we use. First of all, this is separable verb. Like mir tut der Kopf weh. So weh is written at the last, okay, and tut we conjugate here because the body part is singular. With singular body parts, we say tut. Mir because the verb is dative. We will not use ish, we will use mir because the dative pronoun of ish is mir. So mir tut der Kopf weh. Okay, my head is getting hurt or I have headache. Similarly, you can say mir tut das Bein weh. Okay, my leg is getting hurt. I have pain in my leg. So this is mir tut das Bein weh. So this is the way we proceed with this. Mir tut das Bein weh. Mir tut der Rücken weh. Mir tut der Finger weh. So this is the process. Wehtun. And remember always body parts. Körperteile. If it's plural, suppose I use the body parts plural. The finger means I have pain in more than one. So mere two. Mere tune the finger way. Tune. Because the finger, it is plural. Okay, I'm using for plural form. Mere tune the finger way. Okay, I'm getting hurt in more than one finger. Might be 2 or 3 fingers. I have pain. Okay, in my 4 fingers, 2 fingers. I'm getting hurt. So this is tune. Mere tune the finger way. I hope it's clear to you. Now we proceed. What else we can use? Suppose I have fever, cough, cold. The verb is haben. Simple. Ich habe Husten, cough, schnupfen, cough and cold, erkältung, cough and cold. Okay, so the verb is haben. Haben is the verb that we are using. Ich habe Husten, cough. Ich habe Schnupfen, flu. Ich habe Erkältung, cold. Okay, so these are the verbs that we are using. Ich habe Pickel. Pickel means pimple. Pickel is a pimple. Okay, ich habe Pickel. So you will not use way tune. The verb is haben. Remember. All right. So this was a small topic that we have discussed today. Mir took a Kopfweh or ich habe Husten. So these are the disease. These are the problem that we have. Okay, and this is the sentence formation. And what are the remedies that we take? So we'll see. And when you have pain, you go to the doctor. So the sentence formation is ich gehe zum Arzt. Arzt means doctor. I go to the doctor. Ich gehe zum Arzt. I take medicine. Ich nehme Medikament. Ich nehme Medikament. I take medicine. Medikament. Nehmen to take. I take medicine. Ich nehme Medikament. Or ich nehme. Suppose I have cough. Ich nehme Hustensaft. Hustensaft. Hustensaft means cough syrup. I take cough syrup because I have cough, lot of cough. So doctor suggests me to take Hustensaft. It's not juice, it's cough syrup. Very good. So this is the way we use the sentence formation for taking medicine, going to the doctor, Hustensaft. So these are the sentence formation. We'll continue with this in the next lecture. Till then.